Sorry? Okay. Lyrics! We don't have a lyrics train. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. But you guys have a cell phone now. I know you guys have a cell phone. Just this moment. Stop, take the video and then just check the lyrics. It's okay. No cell phone, no cell phone. We didn't know about this situation, so we didn't prepare about this song's lyrics. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry about your patience. So, okay. Okay, we can show you the lyrics. You see, how to show you guys the lyrics. Please come. 사본 카메라 안 들리네. 이거 오셨어요? 오셨나요? Let's go.